So I got in my truck, and you won't believe where it took me. Stay tuned. Disney's pin trading store. So today we are at Disneysprings pin trading store. I'm about to go in and look at all these pins. Let's go on an adventure. So look at all these pins. I mean, you've got Tinkerbell. I mean, you've got so many pins. What is your favorite pin? Comment below. There's so many. Ooh, look at baby Tigger. Isn't he cute? Baby Tigger. Animal Kingdom. Wow, just look at them all. Ooh, Sorcerer Mickey. Look at him. Sweet. I don't have this one. I think I might have to get this one. I love you. Pride. Ooh, how about a tiara? I'm a princess. Grand Floridian. Hakuna Matata. Sing with me. Hakuna Matata. Or not. Ooh, look at this one. Looks like it opens up. Whoa, look at that one. That's cool. It opens up. Here's the prices. Pink is $14.99. Yellow is $12.99. Blue is $12.99. Silver and green are both $9.99. Look at these walls of just pins. You got, oh man, there's just so many to choose from. Maybe I need to pick up more than one today. What do y'all think? Again, what is your favorite pin? Oh look, so cute. Got it handled. Pixar. Oh, do you need some new sandals? Will these fit you? On an Elsa. How about some skateboarding? Oh my goodness, look at this cassette. Chip and Dale. I haven't seen a cassette, a real one, in so long. Let's look at this. Daisy and Donald. They're pointing. Oh, okay, here's some more. I'm game. Oh, let's see. What do I like? Nope, not sorry. Squeak, squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. I want to say squeaky, squeaky clean. Squeaky clean. All the Dalmatians. Big Hero 6. I am here. Moana. Peter Pan. Tinkerbell. How about some pixie dust? There's just so many. This is my happy face. If you can see my happy face. There's so many. There's the castle with the balloons, Mickey balloons. You see that? Let's get the glare out of there. Oh, Mickey with the balloons. Again, here's the prices. Green and silver, $99. Blue and yellow, $12.99. And pink is $14.99. Epcot Mickey. Hollywood Studios. Hollywood Studios. Indiana Jones. Nemo. How many pins do you all have? Do you collect or trade pins? Just want to show you all these pins they have. They have so many. Everest. Yacht Club, Beach Club, Caribbean Beach, All-Star Resorts. Living the island life. Blizzard Beach. Castaway Key. Cruising. Oh, look at that one. How much is this one? So it's yellow. So it's $12.99. Oh, I have this one too. Oh, look. Cruising Mickey and Minnie. Look at these. Sweet. Wonder. Fantasy. I was on this one. I took one Disney cruise and it was on the Fantasy. I can't wait to go back. Hi Mickey, hi Minnie. The lanyards. Moana, Mickey, Lion King, Lilo and Stitch, Precious. Oh, there's just so many. Look at Star Wars pin collection. R2-D2, Feel the Force. Haunted Mansion, Disney Villains. Do you need some shoes like this? Maybe they'll fit, maybe not. What do you think? So many. Here. Look at that. Put on your lanyard. A little pocket here. Zip pocket. Put your cards in there. I have some of these. Oh, maybe I need that one too. Look at him. These pins are alone. They need a home. They need a home. Here's some more. Star Wars collection. Florida State University. Wow. Look at these. Yep. Oh, look at the mini ears. Collection of baseball caps. I'll keep that sun out of your face. Oh. Look at Walt and Mickey. There's a white one. Let's see how much these cost. $27.99. $27.99. Do you have your favorite cap out of all of these? Leave a comment. Many years. Mickey and Minnie ears. Oh, these are sparkly for somebody's birthday occasion. These are $29.99. How about a little veil on your ears? Believe in the journey. Stitch. Oh boy. Slinky dog. Those are ears. Here's some more lanyards that are laid up on a rack here. Minnie. Mickey. Stitch. Pirates of the Caribbean. Marvel. You see a favorite one in there that you like? Leave a comment. Hey, Tink. There's just so many. There's so many things. Oh, this is cute. I like that. Put that around your neck. Hold your cards in there. Room key, whatever it may be. Disney gift cards. Those are always nice. Ah, stand by a fan, it feels so good. See? Get blown away. Ah, cooling off. It's about 10:15 or so in the morning, and it's a hot one. It's almost 90 degrees here. Keychains. There's Minnie. We just saw Mickey. Oh, what are these? These are magnets. It's also color coordinated. Mint, $7.99. Purple, $9.99. Red, $9.99. Teal, $12.99. Oh, wristbands. Check it out. There's a collection here you can see. Hope the glare is not too bad. Stitch, Moana, Toy Story, white, red, teal. Oh, here's Walt. I like that one. And there's Mickey on the other end. There's some more on display. Gotta hope the glare is not too bad. There's so many you can get. I'm just gonna make these are for you. Here you go. Magic bands, coral. Pearls, $15. Bronze is $25. Amethyst is $30. Then when you get really, really hot, you need something to drink. They even have beverage here. Again, Disney, I'm sure as you all know, is Pepsi, or excuse me, Disney is Coke products. We have Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Powerade, water. At this time, drink water. I brought my water with me. It's here in my backpack. Now I need to buy one. What shall I buy? Leave a comment. Which one shall I buy? Okay, now we need to buy one. Which one should we get? Oh boy. There's so many to pick to. What do y'all think? I think maybe, I don't know. There's too many. Kind of looking at Disney Cruise Line. Just keep circling. There's just too many. We have resort theme parks. Somebody's standing at the cruise line pin, so I don't want to get in his way. Keep my space. Maybe we'll just go sit next to Mickey. Mickey and Minnie. Hello. Hello, Mickey and Minnie. Trying to get us all in there together. Okay, the gentleman has gone from where the pins are, where I want to be looking at. So let's go look at these. All right, let's see. I have this one. Aren't they cute? Oh, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Which one shall I get, folks? Here's a ship. I don't think I have that one. Tinkerbell. I'm catching some high seas. What about that one? I wonder. Oh no, what do I do? What do I do? That one's cute. Let's look at that one. Better shot of that one. So yellow equals $12.99. I think I'll get this one. Let's go. We're gonna go pay for this. Hi. So that's a wrap of the Disney pin trading store. I hope you all enjoyed it. There are so many pins to see. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell for notifications. That's a wrap. So would you like where my truck brought me to? I hope so, because I sure did. Hope you liked it. That's a wrap of this one. See you next time.